Apple has a plan and a promise to make Apple carbon neutral.
Apple has decided to go carbon neutral, and for that reason, they stopped producing their leather cases. A lot of people out there were huge fans of those leather cases, including myself, because of how they feel in the hands, how they look, and their durability. And even though we are happy that Apple is going carbon neutral, which is a good thing for our environment, it's a good thing for the planet, but we are also disappointed because it's hard to find good leather cases out there to replace the Apple leather cases. But luckily, guys, I found a case that I think is a good alternative to those Apple leather cases, and we're gonna check them out in today's video. So please stay tuned to the end of this video. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for a lot of good videos come up on Big Phil TV. Alright, these cases are from the company Muft. This is the one I've been using since I bought my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I started using this one right here and I fell in love with it. It feels good in the hands, it looks good, and it's very durable. And as you can see, it is still in an excellent condition. I use it almost every single day. I have UAG cases here, but I use this the most because of how it feels in my hands. It is not real leather though. It is made of vegan leather, but it feels and look like a real leather. Another thing I like about it is the fact that it has full coverage. Like the bottom, as you can see, it just has cutout for the USB Type-C input and the speakers. Then right here, it has a physical button for the action button. Some other cases, even the cases from UAG that I have here, the UAG cases have a cutout for the action button, but this has a physical button. I like cases that have this real action button for the cases. Another thing I like about these Muff cases is the fact that they are compatible with Lanyard. This is a lanyard right here. I've made a video with this lanyard. Listen, this lanyard, man, it is super useful. I haven't dropped my phone yet. And this is the first time I've used a phone for about a month without dropping it. And thanks to Lanyard. When Muff released some other new colors, I decided to go for it. These are new colors, which they are nice looking. So I went for these colors because they are beautiful. Now this one, for example, this is called Blackberry. I don't know why they call it Blackberry though, looks more like burgundy. I don't know if if you guys can see the real color in this video. You see even the action button, it has the same color as the case. Oh, it looks good, it feels good. Oh, nice case, man. And as I mentioned earlier, the cases are Lanyard compatible. So if you buy the case, it comes with these plastic pieces, which gonna help you to hook a lanyard. And how do you install it? It's very simple. Let me install it on the new case. Installation is very simple. You peel off the sticker and you place this plastic piece in this little cutout inside the case right here. So you place it right here and you press. So it has an adhesive. So you press and there you go, that's it. You stick in there. And if you want to use the lanyard, you simply just press this bottom part like this. You press and you insert. So it's very simple to insert the lanyard and there you go. You got a lanyard to secure your phone, especially if you're someone who do a lot of outdoor activities. You definitely need a lanyard, man. Listen, I haven't dropped my phone yet, thanks to this lanyard. It's a highly recommended accessory for me. Yeah. So let me put my phone in the case. Let's see how it looks like. And there you go. Whoa, beautiful. This color, in some lighting, it looks like violet, but it's not. The company call it Blackberry. It's a very beautiful color, man. And that's the reason why I bought this color right here. Even though I have the black one, I needed a little flashy color. And this is a perfect color right here, man. Looks good, feels good, and it's easy to take it off. You see that? Very easy to take your phone off these cases. So this is called Blackberry. Let's move on to the next one. And this is called Tupa, I think so. But it looks more like sandstone. Yes, it looks more like sandstone, and it looks more like the color of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the natural titanium. Looks similar to, you see that? It looks similar to the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. And that's the reason why I go for it, because I needed something that looks similar to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. And oh, it's a beautiful looking color, man. The cutouts are all the same, the buttons. And let's see how my phone looks like. All right, there you go, you see? Looks good. Oh, it looks nice, man. Beautiful. Oh, they feel good. And these cases are Magsafe compatible. So you can use any Magsafe accessory like a stand, like this invisible stand right here, invisible stand and tripod. Or you can use a stand and wallet. And trust me, guys, the magnet on these cases are very strong. Check it out. You can see it for yourself. The magnets are very, very, oh, wow. Look at, oh my God, the magnets are very strong. So you can also get the wallet stand, or you can get a battery pack. They're all Magsafe compatible. There's a battery pack right here. I've done a video with all these accessories. I'm going to drop the link of all those videos in the description below. So these cases are Magsafe compatible and they are Lanyard compatible. And that's it for these cases, guys. Listen, comparing it with the Apple leather case, I would say they feel the same. They look the same. And the durability is going to be the same because I've been using this black one for more than a month now. And the condition is still excellent. And I use it almost every single day. So these are great replacement or great alternative to the Apple leather case, which is no more available. I'm going to drop the link of these cases in the description below. Check them out. I highly recommend them. They are beautiful. They feel great in the hand and they'll be very durable. These are cases that you just buy one. You buy just one. For example, you can buy the black color because I know the black color is going to be resistant to dirt. It's not going to get dirty as fast as these other ones. This one. But a good thing with these cases, according to Muft, they are scratch resistant and waterproof resistant, dirt resistant. So if you get dirty, you can simply just wipe it and it comes out. They're vegan leather. So that's it for these cases, guys. Great alternative to the Apple leather cases. Links in the description below. Thank you guys for watching this video.